Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, the Lincoln Toys Coca-Cola truck. This one's in original condition with 12 original crates, which are just wood blocks with stamping on them. Very cool the way they did these. Coca-Cola on the side. Here's a restoration project I had a while back. I like that you can still get decals for these. What's interesting feature on the blocks is they had English on one side and French on the other. For more toys like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll see what else I can find for you.